Good morning, residents of Wards 56 and 57. Councillor Michael Crichton with Councillor Fiza Chaim here at the Operation Shanyela. Behind us, they're having a multidisciplinary roadblock behind us by the R59. And they've been going to a whole bunch of the problem areas in both our wards within the Moffat View Police Station precinct. And we were in a briefing this morning from 5 a.m. We're in a 3-hour briefing with the SAPS, with the Provincial Commander, as well as the JMPD, Gauteng Traffic Police, and the CPF, amongst other stakeholders. And we are hopeful that today will yield some positive results.
Good day, residents from Ward 57. Like my colleague, Councillor Michael Crichton, is saying that we are here in a major operation. We are on the R59. We've been in a briefing since 5 o'clock this morning at Boyce and SAPS. And yes, a lot of good things is going to come of here. What we're doing, we are checking for illegal people with our documents, people that has not updated their car license, their firearm license. And there's a lot of successes that we have already received from here. Some people has already been locked up. You can see right at the back of me, the van is there, and believe me, the van is already half full. So this is going to be a good day, and I'm really grateful for this Operation Shanyela, what is going on here. And this is just one of many that is going to happen. So watch out, we're coming for you. Councillor Fiza Chaim, Ward 57.
Thank you. Councillor Michael Crichton, Ward 56.